I'm gonna go straight ahead. I forgot. So I'm gonna pass my old place of work, and I will do the typical. As long as there's no car there, I might even give them the typical salute that I give them whenever I ride past. Oh, but there's so many cars. I might not be able to do it because I really, really don't wanna. I might be able to do this. Might be able to do this. This is gonna happen. Ah, there's a car there. No. Come on, peeps. Get out of my way. Oh, even perfect. You work there. Maybe I should have flipped to us. Kept going. Kept going. Oh, there's too many cars. But this place is hell. Hell. I can just feel the temperature burning on it. Yeah. And the funny part about it is it was a great job. And then it got sold once, got sold twice, and on the third try, bad stuff happened. So it's one of those typical, they were doing well, they were doing very well for themselves, and yet somehow they still ended up having to deal with a lot of I might have gone that way, but so it's, typical business. Wreck everything when they get in there. That's why I'm so happy where I'm at right now, because I'm not treated like a number ever. I'm treated like a person. And there's very few places out there right now that actually treat their employees like people. Their managers taking a personal interest in how they're doing, not just how they're doing in work, but how they're doing in their everyday life, making sure that they've got a good life, work balance, stuff like that. How, depending on where you work, you get, your work can really change your life. It can be for the better, or it can be for the worst. It should be for the better. Work should enhance your life as well as enhance outside of work. You know what I mean? Like, it shouldn't just be you live to work. You should actually, I guess, live to work if you enjoy it. But it shouldn't be all about that. It should be about being able to enjoy yourself, build something for yourself. So I think that where you work and the mentality of who you work for, it's a big thing. And if you're not happy in a job, and in the depth of your soul that you're not happy, there is something better out there for you. You're probably not doing what you should be doing. I mean, I know a person who, we did the same job, and this person loved that job, and they were able to do this job for years. Had no problems with it. They were comfortable with it. And me, I would get sick to my stomach every time I walked in there because it wasn't for me. I learned really quickly there's no point in being in a job where you are not happy. Yeah, don't be in a place. Don't work somewhere where you're not happy. Don't work someplace where you're not being respected. Because there's no point in working in a job like that. Be happy where you get to your yourself where you're content. You don't have to be ecstatic every day, but someplace where you don't feel sick to your stomach to go into work. It's not really where you want to be. You want to be content. And there's more opportunities for people than you realize. I mean, I'm going to be moving down to Cincy soon, and I'm actually going to be leaving my dream job. I'm working with a group that I feel is maybe not the best job in the world, but you know what, to me, they were perfect. Oh, come on. Oh, buddy. I was already freaking in the lane. I figures a motorcycle's the one that f***ed us up. He ran a red. What a he basically forced me to run a red. Because I was already in the intersection. I was already past. There was no way it was going to be able to stay there. I was going to have to back up. Motorcycle. So I'll be calling it for today, but definitely, if you are not happy in your job, find one you are happy in, or don't complain. That's pretty much what it is. That's what my message is for the day. And hopefully everybody keeps the shiny side up and the rubber side always down. Peace, everybody.